Look.
Oh, I don't want to do it.
I'm not actually.
No.
Twist Pulse Streetomedy.
Yes, we're back with another challenge. We are here with the sound effect challenge. It's challenge season. We've been going head to head on our channel, Twist vs Pulse. Keeping up. So, aim of the game.
Aim of the game. It's basically like the accent challenge that you saw last week. Sorry. It's the same as the accent challenge from last week, but we're just doing it with sound effects. So obviously sound effects, we don't need to read a sentence or a title from a book. So we're just gonna literally
do the sound effect.
I've put in some sound effects.
Alright.
Pulse has put in some. Where's the hat, Pulse? Show them so they can see that it's real.
If I guess the sound effect correctly, then
So
the person doing the sound effect gets the point.
Show up on your outfit. Oh.
Hey, what about that blue line?
Hey, what about the sea line? Right, we ready?
Yeah. Car braking.
Yes!
Hey.
That's sick.
You're right, yeah?
Yeah, that hurt, man.
Just a glass of water.
Just please.
That was probably strong
Can you repeat the sound effect or not? Just one chance.
You only get one shot to make it count. You may never get this moment again. Any other songs like that? You only get one shot.
I'm not throwing away my shot. I'm not throwing away my shot. Story in it.
Yeah.
Speaking wow, yeah.
Did it sound like a wow though?
No, I don't think I would have got it.
You don't?
No. He said he said do don't.
I didn't say you don't, but
it just come up with a D.
I was thinking, no, do not think, and you don't.
You at the same time. Do don't.
Do you not think that sounds like a whale? What's a whale sound like from Dory then?
No, it's what does it say?
It says whale voice Dory. That's what I'm saying, I'd have to say a sentence to do a voice.
Speaking whale. So that's her thing in the film, she speaks whale.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, can anybody? Yes, that's what I mean, yeah, it was quite close.
So I feel like you would have got it.
So don't say whose it is or not, just don't say anything.
Alright.
All I need to hear is the sound effect.
You got that one for free, guys.
Yeah.
You got that wow.
Raindrop. Water drop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it again for them, closer. Oh, that one was the best
good.
one. That one!
You got that whistle at the end.
So how come you can do it better sometimes than others?
Oh, it hurts though.
It
There you
hurts.
go. Ooh. Your one sounds proper splashy. Let's move on, yeah?
Yeah, let's move on.
Speeding car, fast car.
Yes.
That was good sound.
Thank you, man. That was good. Coming back the other way.
Ready?
Yes. Explosion.
I just did everything I could.
Oh God.
Do you think that was good?
I can't say anything.
Okay. Magic spell?
No. But it's because I don't know what it is. It's one of your ones and I don't actually know what it is.
Oh my god, go on. What does it say?
Do you know what it is now?
I think so, go on, say it. Say it.
Didgeridoo.
Yeah.
What is that?
Didgeridoo is...
That's didgeridoo?
Them big long pipes.
Oh, is it?
In Australia, yeah.
Damn.
It's like the wrong bitches.
Didgeridoo! That's the only way I could get out of it. 'Cause I didn't want to spoil it and say, oh, I don't know this one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
DJ Scratch.
Hey!
Oh.
Come on, man. Rewind. Yeah, rewind.
What's it called? What did you write?
Reverse.
Reverse DJ.
Yeah.
I was so close to going JD. Reverse DJ. JD.
No, I was thinking more like.
Yeah. I was thinking, is he telling me to reverse DJ? JD.
Oh.
Per. Cat per.
Yeah.
That's good. I don't think you could
I
roll
wanted
it.
to do that, but I couldn't do it. Oh God. What smells that?
Oh.
Oh, don't worry. You'll be alright. Come on, man. Let's just make the sound. Horn. No, man. Don't know what that is. Bus horn.
It's an animal.
It's an animal. Are you kidding me? One more time. It doesn't count anymore, but I just want to hear it. No.
I don't actually know what the
Did you
noise
write it as
yeah.
well?
I was hoping you got it.
What is it?
It's a hippo. Do a hippo noise. That's what I mean. I was so hoping that you would get it. That's when I got it, and I was like, no, this is meant for Glen. Oh, microwave.
Yeah. That was a sick microwave noise.
Do you know what? Because I wrote microwave, because I didn't want you to do the thing. Just the. So if it was just that, I don't think I would have known. It sounded like a long fart at first.
Sick sound, but I don't know what that name of that sound is.
I missed it a bit before, but I thought that was super obvious, like what it's known for.
Spitting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you hadn't said that,
I was gonna go.
It sounds a bit like when a car just goes off quickly. You go.
Cool, your turn. Don't look, don't look.
Oh. Alright. I think that was sick. I didn't think that sound was even going to come out of my mouth.
Is it like one more time? Stop, man.
That's as perfect as you're going to get. No idea, no?
Yeah, I've got two, but they're on two completely different things. Is it a duck?
No. A duck?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sounds a little bit like a duck.
Sounds like quack in it.
You went.
A quack, but.
No, like a. I don't know how you're making that sound, but ducks do that sound.
So what's the other one?
Like a hand, like going down a wet window.
No, man.
But I didn't have to say that. What is it?
Dolphin.
Oh God, that's one that I wrote as well.
Yeah, that's a dolphin noise.
Yeah, that's good actually. But it's because I saw you going like that, so I thought. I don't know.
Yeah, dolphin, man. Do a dolphin for me. That sounds like a dog when it's crying.
Does a little bit, doesn't it? We're just doing all of them then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm bear man.
I'm Burman.
Look at the size of my bear hands.
Easy.
Heartbeat.
Yeah, heartbeat, yeah. Cool, you, quickly. Fart.
No. Who farts like that?
Just my granddad.
Or like that?
Do it again. Yeah. Oh.
It had a pitch to it and everything. Zip up jacket.
Oh. No, that doesn't sound like a zip-up jacket, man. What sounds like something electronic?
Yeah, you said fart. At least it's like electronic. No. You said fart.
No, no.
That comes. You said an electronic noise come out of your booty.
Electronic fart. No, it
A
sounds
robot fart.
Do it again.
I can't do it now. The first one was the best one.
Do it. Do it again. Yeah, it sounds like some sick car. Like, it sounds like a good car engine, but just because you're doing that,
Do
it
a
makes
zip.
you.
Do a zip, man. Zip. I feel like you saying zip though, innit? Zip.
No.
Zip. There's no put on the end.
Yeah, zip. I can't read it.
You're kidding me.
Can't read it, but I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Bone crack. Glass break.
That looks like a gum break, so I was trying to think my gum was breaking.
Come on, man. Glass break.
No, look, man. G-U-M.
That's an L.
Where?
L, G, a capital G.
Yeah.
With an L next to it.
I see an L.
Yeah. Then A and the two S's are close together. But
Guys.
But you know what a glass break is. What else break would you have said? That
That's
gum
what it said.
break.
I was so sure that this was gum. G-U-M.
Yeah, that's just stupid.
Yeah. Horse trotting.
Hey.
Sick. There's one more, so let's just do this both at the same time, yeah?
Two completely different sounds.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But I was gonna go 3, 2, 1, and we got to do it, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Ah! But
do yours again?
Ah! I don't burp in it, so I don't know what to say.
But that wasn't.
Ah!
But try and do a burp when people do that. Oh,
that's
it wasn't an actual burp. I didn't actually burp.
You did.
Look.
Oh, I don't want to do it.
I'm not actually burping.
Ah!
It's just annoying.
No, I don't like that. That's awful. What? How would you like it if I say again, I'm not going to do a fart, I'm going to do a pretend one. It won't smell, but it goes.
Yeah,
well, it actually comes out my bum.
No, that's what I mean. But
That's a burp. Oh!
It's just a noise.
And I can't get you out of my head. Boy, your burps are driving me crazy.
Sound effect challenge done.
Done.
Don't know who won.
One.
But here's the scores.
Scores. Ding, ding.
They're already there.
Ding, they're already there.
Anyway.
That was actually really good.
Exclusive.
Yeah, exclusive. I don't think anyone else on the interweb, internet, dial-up, broadband, Wi-Fi.
Oh, that's a good one.
What?
Dial up. Sound effect for dial up.
Oh yeah. I can do it.
Go on.
Ready?
Oh, you missed that fast one there. That fast one.
Car engine.
Come on, man. That is the sound.
Phone vibrating.
Guys, we'll be back with more challenges, more dance videos soon. So make sure you're subscribed. Click the little bell to make sure you get notifications on our new videos.
That's very important. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time whenever we see you.
Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back. See you later.
Bye.
Bye bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye 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 bye. Bye bye.